everyone! Today we're making the most delicious molten lava cake. Soft, gooey, and ready in just 10 minutes. No mixer, no fuss, just pure chocolate goodness. So let's get started. Let's add the sugar to our bowl. Now we're cracking in 2 eggs and adding them to the bowl. Next, let's add a little vanilla for that amazing aroma. Now let's start mixing everything together until the sugar and eggs are nicely combined. Just a smooth, creamy texture. Once everything's nicely mixed and smooth, go ahead and pour in the melted butter. It's gonna make the batter rich and silky. Now add in the melted chocolate. This is the magic part. Now let's gently mix it all together again. Just until the chocolate blends perfectly with the rest. No overmixing here. Once everything's nicely combined, add the flour and gently mix again. Just until it all comes together into a smooth, chocolatey batter. Once you get this smooth and glossy texture, your batter is ready to go. It already looks so rich and delicious. Grab a brush and coat the inside of your molds gently with butter. This will help the lava cake come out perfectly without sticking. Next, sprinkle cocoa powder into the buttered molds and make sure it coats the sides evenly. This not only prevents the cake from sticking, but also gives it an extra chocolatey flavor all around. Now pour the batter into your prepared molds. Fill them up, but don't overfill, so the lava can flow perfectly when baked. Now pop the molds into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And here it is. Our amazing chocolate lava cake is ready. Just look at how perfect it turned out. Just look at that gooey, molten center. It's absolutely perfect and so chocolatey. Ready in just 10 minutes. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time!